A few months ago, a graphic designer, let's call her Sarah, lost 3 of her biggest clients in the same week. Not because her work got worse, not because someone undercut her price, but because her clients found out they could type a sentence into an AI tool and get a logo in 11 seconds. 11 seconds. That's less time than it took you to click on this video. Sarah spent 6 years mastering her craft. She took out student loans. She built a portfolio piece by piece. And in 1 week, a machine made all of that feel optional. Now here's the thing. I'm not telling you this story to make you feel bad for Sarah. I'm telling you because Sarah's story is about to become everybody's story. Not just designers, writers, lawyers, teachers, developers, maybe even you. We've been told AI is the greatest invention of our time. And maybe it is. But nobody's talking about the cost. And I don't mean money. I mean the literal price of our progress. I mean the things we're quietly losing while we celebrate how smart the machines are getting. So today, I'm going to walk you through 10 real problems that AI is causing right now. Not in some dystopian future right now. Let's get into the details right now. Let's start with the one Sarah already taught us. AI isn't just coming for jobs, it's already taken some. Factories have been automating for decades, but now it's different, and the scale is completely unprecedented in human history. AI is writing marketing copy, generating legal briefs, handling customer support, and even producing code. The problem isn't just that jobs disappear, it's that they disappear faster than new ones show up. Entire career paths that people spent years training for are becoming optional overnight. And the people hit hardest? They're rarely the ones building the AI. Now imagine a world where you can't trust what you see. We're basically already there. AI can generate photorealistic images of events that never happened, clone someone's voice from a few seconds of audio, and produce fake videos that are almost impossible to detect. During elections, during conflicts, during everyday social media scrolling. AI-generated misinformation is poisoning public trust. And the worst part? The tools to create it are free and available to anyone. Your face is a data point now. AI-powered surveillance systems can track you through a city, predict your behavior, and build a profile of your life without you ever opting in. Governments use it for control. Corporations use it for profit. And every app, every smart device, every interaction feeds the machine more data. Privacy used to be a default. Now it's a luxury most people don't even realize they've lost. Here's something that doesn't get enough attention. AI doesn't think, it patterns. And if the data it learns from is biased, the AI is biased. We've seen hiring algorithms reject qualified candidates because of their gender. Lending models deny loans based on zip codes that correlate with race. Predictive policing tools that disproportionately target minority communities. AI doesn't create bias from scratch. It industrializes the bias that already exists and makes it harder to challenge because now it hides behind the word algorithm. If you're an artist, a writer, or a musician, this one hits different. Generative AI models were trained on billions of pieces of creative work, scraped from the internet without permission, without credit, and without payment. Now, those same models compete directly with the people whose work made them possible. It's not inspiration, it's extraction, and the legal system is still years behind figuring out what to do about it. When was the last time you solved a math problem without a calculator or navigated somewhere without GPS? AI is accelerating that pattern across everything. Students use it to write essays they never learned to structure. Professionals use it to make decisions they stop understanding. We're outsourcing our thinking. And the danger isn't that AI gets it wrong sometimes. It's that we slowly lose the ability to notice when it does. AI companions are a real thing now. Millions of people talk to chatbots daily for comfort, for advice, for connection. And while that might help some people in the short term, it raises a serious question. What happens when a generation grows up more comfortable talking to an AI than to another human being? Add algorithmic feeds designed to maximize engagement through outrage and anxiety, and you've got a mental health crisis being shaped and deepened by artificial intelligence. This is the problem nobody wants to talk about. Training a single large AI model can emit as much carbon as 5 cars over their entire lifetimes. Data centers consume massive amounts of electricity and water. We're building technology that promises to solve climate change while actively contributing to it. That contradiction deserves way more attention than it's getting. AI-powered drones that select and engage targets without a human in the loop. That's not science fiction anymore. Nations are racing to develop autonomous weapons, and the rules of engagement haven't caught up. AI also supercharges cyber attacks, enabling threats that would have taken teams of hackers to pull off. When you lower the barrier to large-scale harm, the consequences aren't theoretical. When you lower the barrier to large-scale harm, the consequences aren't theoretical. They're inevitable. And finally, the big picture problem. AI is expensive to build. The data, the compute, the talent, it all flows toward a handful of massive companies. That means the technology shaping the future of work, communication, healthcare, and governance is controlled by a very small group of people. Smaller businesses can't compete. Developing nations fall further behind. The gap between the AI haves and have-nots is widening into a canyon, and democratic oversight struggles to keep pace with systems most lawmakers don't fully understand. Remember Sarah, the designer from the beginning? Here's what happened next. After she lost those 3 clients, she didn't quit. She spent 2 weeks learning how to use AI tools herself, not to replace her skills, but to combine them. Not to replace her skills, but to combine them. She now offers something her clients can't get from a chatbot: taste, context, and a human who actually listens to what they need. She's doing better than before. But here's what keeps me up at night. Not everyone will be Sarah. Not everyone will have the time, the resources, or even the awareness to adapt before the ground shifts under them. And that's the real problem with AI. Not that it exists, but that we're rolling it out at full speed with no seatbelts. These 10 problems aren't reasons to hate AI. They're reasons to pay attention. Because the people who understand what's happening, people like you watching this right now, are the ones who actually get to shape what comes next. If this video made you think, drop a comment and tell me. Which of these 10 problems worries you the most? I read every single one. And if you're new here, this is what we do on Nova Explains AI. We break down the stuff that matters without the hype. Hit subscribe, tap that bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay critical.